everyone. This is Sri Rani, School Assistant of English, working for ZPHS Paidipelli, Warangal Urban. Today, I would like to present a digital class under the light of Department of School Education, Warangal Urban. Today, I wish to transact a class for the 7th class students about conversation. The objectives of today's session are: children should be able to know the differences among murmuring, whispering, and conversation. And they should be able to know the meaning of conversation. And they should be able to know the process of conversation through a video. And they are able to know how a conversation is written. And they try to write a conversation on their own. Hi children, how are you? I think all you are doing well, saying and staying safe at home. I know you are waiting for the reopen of schools. Children, where do you in your school? Yes, generally in classroom. See children, now we are in our classroom, aren't we? Okay. Children, see what the man is doing here. Yes, he is speaking. Yes, children, he is speaking to himself. It is called murmuring. Children, see what the people are doing here. Yes, they are saying something into others' ears. It means there is no clarity in sound. It is called whispering. Okay, children, see here what these two people are doing in this scene. Yes, they are talking to each other. See children, here are the more people. They are also talking to each other. Okay children, when two or more than two people are talking to each other, it is called conversation. Means they are conversing to each other. Okay children, here are the murmuring, whispering and conversation. Did you find the difference? Yes. Children, here are some steps involved in conversation. See children, these are the steps to build a conversation. Step 1. Greetings in two exchanges. Children, whenever we start writing conversation, in first two exchanges, we should give greetings. Means, hi, how are you? Like that. And children, second step, conversation on given subject in 6 to 8 exchanges. Means on what subject we want to converse. Step 3, concluding the conversation in two exchanges. Means when we disperse from each other, we say some words, see you, bye bye, thank you, like that. That should be in two exchanges. Means conversation should be at least 10 exchanges, because it is a major discourse. It gives you 10 marks. Okay children, These are the steps to remember and keep in mind while speaking or while conversing or while writing a conversation. Okay, children, you have to observe these steps in conversation. Now you will watch a video. Okay, children, watch and enjoy.
Nikki and Tom, did you sleep or not? No answer, children. What are you doing? Oh, I have to see. Nikki, Tom, what are you doing here? Didn't you go for sleep?
No, Mom, I'm not getting sleep. Please tell me a story before going to bed.
Oh, Tom, you are habituated to listen to stories before going to bed by your grandma. Go and see her. She is in her bedroom. She will tell you the stories. Okay, Mom, we will listen from Granny.
Mom, haven't you completed your work?
No, children, I have to clean my kitchen now. You go and sleep. Granny, where are you?
Granny, where are you? Please come, Granny.
What, dears? What do you want? Granny, we want to listen a story by you. Please tell us story.
Yes, Granny, please tell us, otherwise I can't sleep.
Okay, children, what kind of story you want to listen?
Granny, we want to listen about the warriors today.
Okay, children, I will tell you. First, you come and sit. Okay, Granny, now tell us a story.
Yes, Granny, please tell us a story very fast.
Okay, children, you might have heard about Tanaji, Shivaji in your lessons, isn't it? Yes, Granny, so what? Abhinav and Santosh Kumar are the warriors you know. Are you not, Tom?
Yes, Granny, we know about them. You tell about some more.
Okay, children, today I am going to tell about today's warriors in this pandemic situation, COVID-19. Really, Granny? Who are they?
Yes, Granny, we want to know about them. Please tell us.
Okay, children, today's warriors are doctors, medical staff, police, and municipal workers in this pandemic situation.
Granny, really?
Granny is telling no, so that is real. Yes, children, they are the real warriors today. Thank you, Granny. We love you.
Good night, Granny. I love you too.
Children, listen something before going to bed. We must reduce their risk. For that, we must wear masks, we must use sanitizers, and we must maintain social distance from person to person. By that, we will be safe and everyone will be safe. Okay, children? Okay, Granny, we remember that. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, Granny. Good night.
Good night, children. Sleep well.
Okay, children, did you watch the video? Have you enjoyed it? Yes. See, I want to know what did you understand? Okay, children, who are the people in that conversation? Yes, children and their mom and granny. Who are the children? What are their names? Yes, they are Nicky and Tom. What are those two? Yes, they are brother and sister. Okay, children. Here also you can see one picture. Who are they? Yes, they might be friends. They might be, yes, brothers. Okay, children. Let us see a written conversation now. How a conversation is written. Okay, children. See, here is a conversation between Mahesh and Krishna. Okay, see. Mahesh. Hi, Krishna. How are you? Krishna. Hi, Mahesh. I am doing well. How are you and your family? Mahesh. All of us are good by the grace of God. Krishna. What are you doing at home for all these days? Mahesh. Yeah, I have been attending the lessons of SCRT. Are you attending? Krishna. No, not regularly. Sometimes. When my uncle is at home, I am using his mobile to attend. Mahesh. Why don't you ask your parents to buy a mobile for you for this purpose? Krishna, you know, my father is a contract employee. He is not getting work in this pandemic situation. How can I ask him? Mahesh, it's the situation with many of our friends. I would have invited you to my home, but due to Corona, I am helpless. Krishna, if it is the situation, what about the students like me? We should find a solution. Mahesh, yes, we do one thing. We should send a message to our education minister or principal of school education that the lessons should be brought to the reach of all the students using local TV channels. What do you say? Krishna, it's a good idea. Every household has a TV. If the government instructs the local cable operators, then it is possible. Thank you for the suggestion. Mahesh, let us take the representation of all our friends tomorrow. And don't forget to carry the sanitizer along. Krishna, not to forget to maintain the social distancing when we meet our friends as a precaution, isn't it? Mahesh, yeah, we must maintain all the precautions to stay safe. Thank you. See you. Krishna, you are right. See you tomorrow. Okay, children, this is the way of constructing a conversation. Children, you might have observed there are greetings in first two exchanges and remaining 4 or 5 exchanges for subject and last 2 exchanges for conclusion. Okay, children? you have observed a video and written conversation. Did you understand? Okay. Okay, children. Now let us have an exercise. Children, here use the following words and complete the conversation given below. Children, you are given 5 words here in brackets. See, what are they? Not, am, they, or, have. You have to use these 5 words to complete the conversation. Okay, children? Come on, let us go. See here, Geeta. Hi, Lata. How dash you? Children, you have to select a word among that 5 to fill this blank. What might be it? Can you expect? Is it not? Or am? Are they? Or are? Or have? See? Hi Lata, how are you? How are you? Okay, children? Then Lata. I dash fine. Thank you. What about you? Yes. What word takes along with I? Yes, children. I am. I am. I am fine. Okay, children? Come on, see. Geeta. How are your parents? Is there any blank? No. Lata. Dash or fine. Have you collected textbooks from the school? Yes. Here, dash refers to parents. Okay. So, what the pronoun for the parents? Yes. They are fine. Okay, children? Then, Geeta. Oh, yes. I dash collected on Monday. She already collected. So, I have collected on Monday. Okay. Lata. I dash. What is left? Children, what is the word left? Is not. I could not because I am out of station. Geeta. Okay, my mom is calling. See you. Lata. Okay, thank you. Okay, children, this is the conversation to complete. Will you? Okay. See here. Hi Lata, how are you? It is greeting. I am fine, thank you. It is also greeting. Then, how are your parents? They are fine. Oh yes, collected my books. I could not because I am out of station. This is the subject. Okay, children? Okay, my mom is calling. See you. Okay, thank you. These are the concluding words. Okay, children? This is your exercise. Come on, now it is the time for assignment. Children, here is another assignment. Prepare a possible conversation between you and your friend. Okay? Can you do now? Yes, I think you can. Okay, children? See you. Stay home, stay safe. Take all the precautions you have observed in the video conversation. Okay? Thank you, everyone.